ICSE Model Examination 2024-25. English Language. English Paper 1. Question number 5. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage, but write in correct serial order the word or phrase appropriate to the blank space. Now get ready for the test. It was a hot summer afternoon. The air, 0, hang, heavy with heat, and the village streets, 1, remain eerily quiet. Leela, 2, sit by the window, staring at the parched land that, 3, stretch endlessly before her. She, 4, know that the monsoons were late this year, and the crops, 5, wither under the unforgiving sun. Her mother, 6, try to console her, but deep down, Leela, 7, feel an overwhelming sense of despair. She, 8, wonder if the rains would ever come. Answers in order. 1 remained. 2 sat. 3 stretched. 4 knew. 5 withered. 6 tried. 7 felt. 8 wondered. Here is the passage with answers and their Hindi meanings. It was a hot summer afternoon. यह एक गर्मी की दोपहर थी. The air hung heavy with heat. हवा भारी और गर्म थी. The village streets remained eerily quiet. गांव की गलियां अजीब तरह से शांत थी. Eerily means in a strange, mysterious, or scary way. अजीब तरह से, डरावने तरीके से. Example. The house was eerily silent at midnight. मध्यरात्रि में घर अजीब तरह से शांत था. The fog made the forest look eerily beautiful. कोहरा जंगल को अजीब लेकिन सुंदर बना रहा था. 2. Leela sat by the window. लीला खिड़की के पास बैठी थी. Staring at the parched land that stretched endlessly before her. सूखी हुई जमीन को देख रही थी, जो उसके सामने अंतहीन रूप से फैली हुई थी. She knew that the monsoons were late this year. वह जानती थी कि इस साल मानसून देर से आएगा. And the crops withered under the unforgiving sun. और फसलें जलती धूप में मुरझा रही थी. Wither means to become dry. Her mother tried to console her. उसकी माँ उसे दिलासा देने की कोशिश कर रही थी. But deep down, Leela felt an overwhelming sense of despair. लेकिन अंदर से, लीला एक गहरे निराशा के एहसास से भर गई थी. She wondered if the rains would ever come. उसने सोचा कि क्या कभी बारिश होगी.